Guys, papunta tayo ngayon sa Songnam Station. Susunduin natin si David. So abangan nyo, makikita nyo ulit si David. Let's go. Guys, nandito na si guys, pogi Eh. Pogi ni David, guys. Pogi.
Hi.
You know Pogi? Handsome? You look handsome today. Hey. Pogi, guys, my friend.
Nice to meet you, Dad.
Filipino.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
So let's go.
Yeah.
What did you brought?
Oh, I brought booze.
Okay. So, dito na kami ngayon, guys. Naglalakad. Papunta kami ngayon sa aming dorm. Together with our friend, David. Say hi to my followers.
Hi.
Yan Guys, kasama natin ngayon si David. Yan siya, guys. Pogi, guys. Handsome. He's a model.
I'm just very tall.
Pangkad niya, guys, Yan, Kasama natin parang Angelo. Hey.
What's your height?
206.
No?
6'9".
6.9?
LeBron James, you know LeBron James?
No, I don't play basketball. I'm very bad at sports. Thank you,
Pangkad niya,
though.
guys. So, in-invite natin si David maki-join. So, abangan nyo na lang yung video na to, guys, hanggang sa dulo. So, let's go!
They were asking like, where are you from?
Okay.
What do your parents do? Oh, are they? I'm like, I'm Germany.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I was
I understand. It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I was so
Ang totoo
drunk,
pala
I
talaga,
forgot to
guys,
stop.
is taga-Amerika talaga siya, guys. Kasi tinago lang niya yung yung identity niya para sa mga tao nagtatanong sa kanya na kung taga saan siya. Wala akong ma-English na ikaw mag-vlog.
Sorry, I'm not from Germany. Creepy men were following me that night, and I did.
Okay. Malapit na kami sa dorm.
Guys, kaya yung height namin.
Height reveal.
check.
Height check. So yun, guys, malapit na tayo sa dorm. Sama natin si David, guys. What's that? Coca-Cola?
Yeah, I like Coca-Cola.
Oh, okay.
I
Coca-Cola.
like Coca-Cola, so I bought one for myself.
You said that, do you have friends here? Oh,
I do have Filipino friends.
Filipino.
Yes,
It's
I
nice.
have friends from everywhere, apparently. Oh, they're a lovely time. I always have
Yeah.
so much fun with them.
They are all kind and
Yes, they're all
sometimes...
very kind. They're all
Yes.
very nice. I love them all dearly.
Yeah.
Nice then.
So yun, guys, malapit na tayo, guys.
Bili ba tayo ng ano?
We will buy some
Additional?
you know what?
Sure.
Or maybe later.
Whenever.
We're near from store,
Okay.
so it's okay.
Okay.
Galing natin mag-English, guys. Palapit tayo sa English.
Jeric will cook some
I will
Some
cook
food.
some food.
Filipino food.
You know,
Okay.
adobo.
I do. I love adobo.
Yeah.
How do I say delicious in Tagalog?
Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap,
Yeah. Nice.
It's
I'm
masarap.
sorry, I'm American. I have terrible pronunciation.
Ano? It's okay.
It's okay.
Nice pronunciation.
We're also Filipino and we don't know
the exact.
exact how you say that.
It's okay.
Uh,
I'm an English teacher. I listen to terrible English all day. You guys, English is great to me. Great. I listen to little Korean kids try to speak English all day. Trust me. This is
Korean
easy.
kids?
Yes.
Oh,
Trust me. This is easy.
Yeah.
galing namin, guys, mag-English.
Filipino English is the second sexiest English all around the world. Do you know that?
What's first, Thailand?
I don't know.
Guys, dito na tayo ngayon. Here's our dorm.
Okay.
Here. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa ating guys.
Simple.
It's just a simple apartment. So, let's go, come here. You're welcome here in our home. Hey.
Yeah, your home looks amazing.
Yeah.
Really? So yun guys, dito na tayo ngayon with our friend David. Here's our bathroom. If you want to go, just sit there.
Nice.